These well-trained women handcrafters are from Mekalamaradi, a remote village in Karnataka. They make bags and accessories from natural materials that end up in the markets of Europe. They have built an internationally respected brand of women's accessories called Mitan, which was founded in 2001. But since 2016, they have started exporting their products under the Unnati Handcrafts. It is the export license obtained by the Unnati Rural Development Society. They export their products to several countries. Two decades ago, a group of women from Mekalamaradi village got together to listen to Father Jose Chenakala, a young Jesuit priest who had been organizing skill training sessions for farmers. He had been training farmers in watershed development and improved farming practices. He then helped them to find a source of stable employment for the poor women of the village. Gopi Krishna, an NGO mentor and handcraft promoter, suggested making value-added products using locally available materials. He says that the first 3 years were hard. After that, the women imbibed the skills of processing fiber and making a variety of bags and accessories. These women clean the jute, grass and cotton pieces, boil them to separate the fiber, weave and knit the pieces and stitch them together. Everyone was surprised at the new designs that the village women came up with that the elite users in Europe found useful. Later, the community launched their website which contains a catalogue of their products. And they also started taking orders. Dastagir Jamadar, a local youth with an entrepreneurial spirit, began managing the group's day-to-day affairs.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ದಸ್ತಗೀರ್ ಜಮಾದಾರ್ ಅಂತ. ನಾನು ಉನ್ನತಿ ರೂರಲ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಉನ್ನತಿ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡಿಕ್ರಾಫ್ಟ್ ಸೊಸೈಟಿಯಿಂದ ಈ ಒಂದು ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯನ್ನು ನಡೆಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಟೋಟಲಿ 360 ಥರದ ಉತ್ಪನ್ನಗಳನ್ನ ನಾವು ಉತ್ಪಾದನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಹಾಗೂ ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಶೇಕಡ 90% ಹೊರದೇಶಗಳಿಗೆ ರಫ್ತು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇನ್ನು ಶೇಕಡ 10% ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾರಾಟ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ವಿವಿಧ ರಾಜ್ಯಗಳಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಟೋಟಲಿ 42 ಜನ ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರತಿದಿನ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೀಸ್ನಲ್ ಅಂತ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗಿ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂತ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ.
These bags come in 3 sizes. They are multi-purpose and can be used in the kitchen or dressing rooms as fruit bowls, magazine or stationery holders. The women also make laundry bags and round baskets in various sizes. He says they have now started making rectangle and square baskets as well because people have got bored of the round ones. They export these bags and accessories worth around 1 lakh rupees per month. The women have passed their skills on to the next generation as well. They make around 100 to 150 rupees per day. They are employed for nearly 10 months a year except for the monsoon when they go to work on the farm. They say Mitan and Unnati have helped them to send their children to school and dream of a better life.
ನಾವು 20 ವರ್ಷ ಆಯ್ತು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಕತ್ರಿ. ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲ ಥರ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ಹೊಲಿತೀವಿ, ಕೆಲಸನೂ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳದೆಲ್ಲ ಸಂಭಾಳಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸ್ವಸಹಾಯ ಸಂಘ ಕಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸ್ವಸಹಾಯ ಸಂಘದಿಂದ ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಐತ್ರಿ. ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ರೀ, ಮತ್ತು ಮದುವೆನೂ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು 2 ಮಕ್ಕಳಲ್ಲಿ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಐತ್ರಿ ನಮಗೆ ಅಂತ.